Good evening, and how's everyone doing? It's morning, depending on where you are in the world. So, afternoon in some places, but it's evening in Niger, as UK folks call Nigeria. It's evening in Niger, 10 minutes past 7 p.m. West African time. And welcome to today's NGX Daily Market Summary, the green ticker summary for today. Thank you to everyone who's taking out the time to share, subscribe. I truly appreciate you for doing so. Please keep doing so. The more you do so, the more you have the YouTube tends to put this content before more eyeballs. So let's keep pushing. Let's get more financial content there. Let's get more awareness about markets, Nigerian markets, and eventually other African markets. Please note, nothing I say is financial or trading advice. Please do your own research. Today seems to be it was a little late day. As a friend of mine would say, pretty little late. All share index gained 0.79%. Index measures the average performance on stocks. Some stocks will do better, some stocks will do worse. Last week was a positive week, so it seems like the positive vibe, if I can use that term, seems to be continuing on the NGX. Who led the gainers today? Living Trust Mortgage Bank up 9.96% to close at 5 naira and 8 kobo. E-Transact is still pushing. E-Transact gained 45% and some fraction last week. It's up 9.7% today, so that's almost 55% or so. I wonder why. What could be the trigger for this? So it closed 16 naira 40 kobo, up 9.7%. Regency Alliance Insurance, the strong momentum in that stock seems to be going on. We're having a 9.6% gain. I think it gained probably 18 or 19% last week. So it's looking like a strongly positive movement for the stock. Nigerians love dividends. Nigerians love bonus issues. The movement behind this stock, I mean, some people might find it strange because what's the big deal about a 1-for-3 bonus issue? So October 10th qualification date, for every 3 shares you own, by then you get 1 share, and that's what's leading to this stock moving. I very likely suspect. In fact, let's jump and let's check it out. I think we're close to breaking the 52-week high for this stock. If not, we've broken it. I suspect we've broken it. So let's see what we have. It's really. I guess people like what they have. So stock is at 1 naira 82 kobo. This definitely will mean that tomorrow's pre-market video, Regency Alliance would have a spot there because we are 0.01 kobo away from the stock hitting its 52-week high. 52-week high means that the last 52 weeks, that's the highest price point this stock has. So we continue to keep an eye on that stock. On the losing end of things, the names, 3 names, 3 key names. McNichols in the food space, they make sugar, they make custard, down 9.9% to close at 3 naira 55 kobo. Honeywell flour are down 9.13% to close at 20 naira and 90 kobo. While UACN, this I don't understand the dip in this stock, but I continue to monitor it as well, down 8.01% to close at 67 naira and 15 kobo. Let's see how it does tomorrow. This stock has been range trading forever, so I suspect we are still in the range trading mode. But if it dips lower than this, then you would have to ask yourself, is this a downtrend? I know technicals will say this is a downtrend. I'll dive into the technicals for UAC in tomorrow's pre-market video. Now, in terms of most actively traded stocks by volume, UAC again led 67.1 million shares. Regency Alliance 57.2 million shares. Yeah, Charms. Just by the way, this broke shortly after this video was recorded or my script was written. But I would mention this. Charms has extended their rights issue date. I'll talk more about that tomorrow. I don't have my notes in front of me. Then for most actively traded stocks by value, Gerigold 10.2 billion worth of shares traded. Is this Is this a cross deal? Maybe movement between investment vehicles related to a similar party? Is this FO moving from one investment vehicle to another? Is this some other investor taking position? We don't know yet. I think we should get some insight into that within the week. UACN, distant second, 4.4 billion naira worth of shares traded. Remaining, pretty usual names you see on this list: Access Corporation, GTCO, UBA. We still do not have any banking result from the UGAs dropped. UGAs mean UBA, GTCO, Access, and Zenith. I'm checking, I'm yet to see any of those numbers dropping. My intuition tells me one of those numbers may drop this week because this is the 15th. Going by precedence, it's not strange to have any of these numbers drop anytime from now. So that's pretty much how the market shaped out to be. I hope you found this useful. And just in case you're an audio person, the audio version of this post is up on the Greenticker podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. The audio version usually goes out by 7 p.m. West African time, just in case there's anything key. Gives me enough room to put that as well. And nice thing about audio compared to video is you can put on your mic and you just speak about the topics as they happen. You can also find content on greentickertales.com. Thank you for listening so far. See you in tomorrow's pre-market video, which will be up by 9:30 a.m. West African time. Have a lovely rest of the day wherever you are.